Hello everyone. Today we'll be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058011 May June 2021. Let us move to the question. Question 1 says this person asked the 30 students in his class which is their favorite sport. The table shows the results. Netball, football, these are the games, and these are the people who have chosen this one. Complete the pictogram. Netball they have completed for us, which is 7, and from here the key is provided. This complete circle with 4 portions represents 4 people. Now football is 12, so one circle, complete circle will be for 4, so I have kept circles over here so that conveniently we can draw. So we require 3 circle, 1 circle, 2 circle, and 3 circles will be in this section. And we can show similarly, we can show the portions also, like this one, as they have drawn the portions, so we can show the portions as well, so that it should look like a similar way. So pictogram, this one we have shown this. Now hockey is 6, so hockey will be one complete circle over here with the lines drawn like this one, and there should be one semicircle also, and the semicircle will be like this one with the 2 portions, so this will be 6. Now tennis is 5, so tennis we can take one complete circle, and that will be representing 4 people. So this one, and one should be a quarter circle like this one over here, so this will be the quarter circle, so this will be 5 people. We are done with this. Now question number 2 says find the value of this. We can use calculator, and square root of 225 is equal to 15, so answer will be 15. 1 mark part. Write down the reciprocal of 2 over 3, and reciprocal is 3 over 2, so we can write answer as 3 by 2. Work out the 3 quarters of 1/3. 3 quarters of 1/3 like this. So we can cancel this 3 and 3, we can cancel, and the answer will be 1 by 4. So answer will be 1 by 4 for the mark part. And next they are saying work out. We have to solve this one. So 6 minus 8 we will solve in brackets first, so it will be minus 2, so minus 7 minus minus 2, so this will be minus 7 plus 2, which is equal to minus 5, so minus 5 will be final answer for this one. Now question number 3, write down the order of rotational symmetry of this diagram, and we can rotate this diagram and get 4 exact same positions. 1, and we can rotate, and then 2, and then 3 and 4, so we'll be having basically 4 same locations at which we will get same diagram. Okay, so answer will be 4 for this one. And on the diagram draw all the lines of symmetry. So for lines of symmetry we can draw basically lines of symmetry, or what we can draw, there will be 1 line of symmetry we can draw like this one, and the other line of symmetry we can draw this, and third line of symmetry we can draw diagonal wise, and fourth line of symmetry also we can draw like this. So these will be the 4 lines of symmetry which we have drawn. Then The stem and leaf diagram, question number 4, shows the number of hours that each of 16 students studied last week. So key is 1/2 is 12 hours. Find the median. Median will be the middle value, and middle value will be 7 and 8. We will add, so it will be 7 plus 9, basically, not 8. 7 plus 9 divided by 2 will be equal to 8, so 8 will be the median. Then we are asked for the mode, and mode is most repeating or most occurring, and this will be 21. With the key we will be checking, it will be 21. Then the range, and the range is maximum minus minimum. Maximum is 47 and minimum is 12, so 47 minus 12 will be what? 47 minus 12 is equal to 35, so our answer will be 35 over here, which we can write this. So range, we can make it a little lower like this. Then we can move ahead. So this will be question number 5. Question number 5 is net. The volume of a cuboid is 24. The base of the cuboid is 3 centimeter to 2 centimeters. Draw a net of the cuboid on the 1 centimeter grid. So basic condition is base of the cuboid should be 2 by 3 and the volume should be 24. So for base we can take a little central location. So we can start, like, for example, from here, and 3 by 2, so 3 is this one and 3 is this one, and we can draw accurately. This will be 2 by 3 base, so we can write here this is base and this is 2 by 3, which is the condition of the question. Now we will require height will be 4, because 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 will be equal to 24, which is the volume. So length into width and multiply by height. So height required is 4. So 4 units we can take, 1, 2, 3 and 4 units we can take height from this. This will be side, one side. So 4 by 2. So we can mention here this will be side, and this side will also be uh, this side will also be 4 units, 1, 2, 3 and 4 units, and this side will be 4 units up to this one, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4 units you can draw like this one, and this will be, so this is side and this one also side. Now 4 units will be this side also, and the remaining is top only. So this is side. So top we can attach on this side or on this side. So I'm attaching on this side, and top will be exactly same as bottom, which is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 will be this portion, which we can draw. This will be top, which is 2 by 3. So this will be resulting into volume of 24. This is what we have drawn. Hopefully you understood this. Now we can move to the question number 6. Question 6 says the travel graph shows a student's journey. Explain what is happening between 1420 to 1440. 1420 to 1440 is this journey, and this one is distance is not changing, so it means stationary. So this is 1 mark part. Then Complete the statement. The student is traveling fastest between the times. And what are the times gradient we will be checking? And that will be this is the steepest one, so it is for this duration, and which is 13 up to 1340. This will be 1320 basically. No, it's not up to this one, it is up to this one. So this is 1320. So this will be, we can write here, this will be 1320, and our answer will be 13 and 1320, because gradient or slope, gradient is steepest. And question number 7, the probability that train is late is 0.15. Write down the probability that the train is not late, and total probability is 1, so 1 minus 0.15. This will be for not late. Not late will be this one, and this is equal to 1 minus 0.15, and this is equal to 0.85. 0.85 will be our final answer. 1 mark part. Question number 8, Nazanin changes this many dollars into euros at a bank. Work out the exchange rate of the bank. So she's getting this many euros, so 5798 divided by dollars, and this will be equal to 5798 and divided by 6500, and we will be getting conversion rate. It is 0.892. 0.892. So 0.892. $1 is equal to 0. This many euros. Now question number 9, work out this matrices. We have to column vectors, we have to add. So 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, and minus 5 minus 1, and this will be equal to 14, and this will be minus 6. So 14 and minus 6, this is 1 mark part. Now for the B part, we'll have to multiply. So this will be minus 4 into 3 and 7 into 3. And this will be equal to minus 12 and 21. So this will be minus 12 and 21 will be our answer. Now question number 10. Diagram is provided which is not to scale. The diagram shows two parallel lines, and these are symbols for parallel lines. So these two are parallel lines, parallel straight lines. Find the value of A, B, C. So A angle will be opposite to this one, which is same as 59. So A angle will be 59 degrees. And these two lines are parallel, so this angle will be same as this angle. So we can write this as 37, and this one remaining angle we can calculate. This will be 180 minus 59 plus 37 degrees, and this will be equal to 180 minus 59 plus 37, and this will be equal to 84. So this will be 84 degrees. This is done. Now these are the proper locations where we will be answering. A is 59, B is 37, and C is 84 degrees, which we have provided. Now question number 11, write down the mathematical name of the polygon with 5 sides, and this one we know is pentagon. So pentagon. Then work out the interior angle of a regular 18 sided polygon. So exterior angle we know is 360 divided by the number of sides, which is 18. So this will be exterior angle. Exterior angle we can find, this will be basically 20. So 360 divided by 18 will be 20. And 20 degree is exterior angle, but we need interior angle as they have mentioned. So if we draw a drawing for your explanation, outer angle is 20, so we can say this exterior angle is 20. It means this interior angle will be 160. 180 minus 20 will be 160. So 160 will be answer. Hopefully you understood this. Then question number 12 says the nth term of a sequence is 6n minus 4. Write down the first three terms. So we will replace n is equal to 1. N is equal to, well, 1 will be resulting to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 will be equal to 2. So 2 is the first term. Then n is equal to 2. This implies 12 minus 4. This will be equal to 8. So this will be 8. And when n is equal to 3, this implies this will be 18 minus 4, which is equal to 14. So this will be 14. Then B part, the kth term of this sequence is 422. Work out the value of k, and we can replace this 6n minus 4 is equal to 422. This implies 6n is equal to 422 plus 4, which is equal to 426, and n will be equal to 426 divided by 6, and 426 divided by 6 is equal to 71. So k value will be 71. Hopefully you understood. This was 2 marks part. The question number 13, the radius of the circle is 42 centimeters. Work out the circumference and answer they require in terms of pi. So we can write circumference is equal to what? 2 pi r, and r value is 42. So we can write 2 pi into 42. That will be equal to 84 pi, and our answer will be 84 pi. This is also 2 marks part. Question number 14. 14 says change this centimeter square cube into meter cube. So we can write 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. This is centimeter cube. So we can write as centimeter, centimeter, and centimeter. This is the easiest way to understand. So for each centimeter, to convert into meter, we have to convert it into we have to divide it by 100. And now this is not centimeter, this is meter, this is also meter, and this is also converted into meter. And this will be what? This will be 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And you can use calculator for this one. It will be 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and divided by 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and this is given as 0.68. This will be the easiest technique for unit conversion. Hopefully you understood this. This was 1 mark part, but I have explained properly so that you can solve similar type of unit conversion questions easily. Question number 15, the length L meters of piece of rope is 5.67 meters. Correct to the nearest centimeter. Complete the statement. So plus minus 0.5 will give us 5.675 and 5.665. And keep in mind, we cannot switch these two because this symbol is there. So if you are switching, you will not get 2 marks, you will get only 1 mark. So question number 16, without using calculator, we have to solve these fractions, and you must show all your working and simplest form they want answer. So 1 whole 3 by 8 minus 5 by 6. 5 by 6. This is our question. So 8 multiplied by 1. This will be multiplied by 1 and plus 3. So 8 ones are 8 plus 3 will be 11 by 8, and then 11 by 8 and minus 5 by 6. We can equalize the denominator. So 3 and 3 we can multiply, and this will be 4 and 4, so we will be getting denominator as 24. So this will be 33 over 24, and minus this will be 20 over 24, and this will be equal to 13 over 24. Final answer will be 13 over 24. This is 3-mark question. Now question number 17, write this one as power of 2, so we can rewrite it as 1 over 2 raised by 1 2 3 4 5, so which we can write 2 raised by minus 5. So our answer will be this one. Then B part 1, this we have to find the value of t. So for that one, what we can do, we can write 3 raised to the power 18 minus t is equal to 3 raised to power 6, and this implies 18 minus t will be equal to 6, so t will be equal to 18 minus 6, which is equal to 12. So our answer will be 12. Second part, simplify this. So 8 into 6 will be 48, and w raised by 10 plus 5, so this will be equal to 48 w raised to the power 15. We can write here 48 w raised to the power 15. This is 2-mark question. Question number 18, Annie invested this much amount at the rate of this one per year compound interest. Calculate the value of her investment at the end of 6 years. So time is duration is 6 year, rate is this one, principal amount is this. So we know the formula is amount is equal to compound interest formula, 1 plus rate over 100, and raised to the power t, and we can replace values. Principal amount is 8,300 into 1 plus rate is 5.6 over 100, and time duration is 6 years. So amount will be equal to, we can write 8,300 and in brackets 1 plus 5.6 over 100, and raised to the power is 6, and this will be equal to 11509, and decimal values we can write 64, and rounded answer we can provide 11,509. Next, question 19, write down an irrational number n where 31 n should be in between 31 and 32. So we can write like under root of something which is in between 31 and 32. So if 30 under root 900 is 30, so we can take anything like 901 2 3 4 5, something like that. So 901, and if we check for root of 901, this will be equal to 30.101. so this is basically in between that, so we can write 901. This is the rational number. Next is question number 21. By rounding each number in the calculation, correct one significant figure, estimate the value of this one, and you must show all your working. So rounded to 1 will be 38, will be rounded to 40, and 3.115 will be rounded to 3, and denominator 20 will be 20.3 will be rounded to 20, and one significant figure, and minus 4.1 square will be rounded to 4 squared, and this will be equal to 14 to 3 will be 120, and divided by 20 minus 4 square will be 16, so 20 minus 16 will be 4, and this will be equal to 30. Our answer estimation answer is 30. Now question number 21, simultaneous equations are provided which we have to solve, and to equalize the coefficient of x we are multiplying the equation 2 by 2, and we will get first equation as it is. I will copy, and the second equation will become 2x minus 10y is equal to 80, and we can subtract, change signs, and after changing sign this will be cancelled, and this will be 11y is equal to minus 80 plus 3 will be minus 77, so y will be equal to minus 7. So y is equal to minus 7, and we can replace this y is equal to minus 7 in any of these two equations. I am replacing in first one, so this will be minus 7 is equal to 3, so 2x is equal to 3 plus 7 which is equal to 10, so x will be equal to 10 over 2 which is equal to 5. So x will be equal to 5 and y will be equal to minus 7. This is the mark question which we are done. Now question number 22. There is a state road between town A and town B of length 130 kilometers. Maxi travels from town A to town B. Okay, so what I will do with the question, I will draw the drawing so that you can understand the question, and the simple drawing we can draw like this one is the state road, and Maxi is suppose over here. This is Maxi, and this is Pipa's location, so Pipa is over here, and the total distance is 130 kilometers. Now Maxi travels from A to B, so from A to B, this is A, this is B, so Maxi is traveling to this direction, and Pipa travels from town B to town A like this direction. Both travel at a constant speed of 40 kilometer per hour. So speed is what? Speed is equal to 40 kilometer per hour, and in this case also speed is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. Now next portion is Maxi leaves 30 minutes before Pipa. So in 30 minutes how much distance Maxi has covered? So speed is 40 in 1 hour, so in half hour it will be half of 40 which is 20, so 20 kilometers Pipa has Maxi has already covered. So we can show from this point to this point, say this is up to this one is 20 kilometers, and this is in 30 minutes, and this is covered by Maxi, so this distance is covered. Now the remaining distance is what? Total distance was 130. Out of 130, 20 kilometers is already covered, so this is 110 kilometer which is remaining distance. Now this remaining distance both will cover and with the same speed, so half of this distance will be covered by each one. So half of this will be what? Half of this will be 55 kilometers. So from this position to this position will be 55 kilometers, and this one Pipa has already also covered this much distance which is 55 kilometers. Now the question is, work out how far from town A they will be when they pass each other. So they require the reference point they have provided is town A. So from town A we have to check the distance. So from town A this will be 20. From A it will be 20 plus 55. So total distance will be from this point. If we show this one, so for Maxi and Pipa this will be this will be 20 plus 55, 20 plus 55 which is equal to 75. So this answer will be 75 kilometers. Hopefully you understood this. And this one I will move over here so that you will not be confused by the answer. So this is 75 kilometers, 4-mark question which we are done. Hopefully you understood each and everything. This was last question of this paper, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also introduce this channel to your respected teachers and recommend this channel to your friends and classmates. And don't forget to press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.